Cough drops. Let me go first. You put your input in a minute. Cough drop. I'm eating one right now.
Me too.
They don't get better than this, guys. All my best friends have them. They're so good. Oh. Hey, save the porn commercial for later.
Give me my cough drop.
Oh. Refresh the back of your throat with a cough drop.
Refresh your throat.
The cough drop. Not the cough cock. If your cough gets or if your cock gets coffee, you should take cock drop. But if not, just refresh the back of your throat. Oh, you bastard! You've been doing that for 10 minutes. We're on a fucking commercial right now. Shh. You're doing it again. She's going.
Get over here. Ashley, get over here on the video. Hold on, watch this, Ben. Calm down. Hold on, watch.
Bam.
Oh, shit.
It got me too. It wasn't just you.
Hold on.
Look
Are
at
you
you.
recording right now?
I'm fucking serious.
Hold on, watch this.
It got her every time.
Watch
You
this.
should have fucking
Watch
learned
this.
the first time. The fucking punch is coming. For real? That was the leg
Watch.
shit.
That was so cool, watch. Watch this.
Oh. You just licked that shit up.
Hey, watch this. Huh?
Are we still in that commercial?
Oh shit. Bam! Wow, wow! Waka, 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 waka. I've had enough of this chicken shit bullshit. What the fuck?
I was gonna put it back there so when you got ready, I could just be
You
like,
piece of shit.
refreshes. So when the commercial gets there, just remind
Go
me.
to those pictures right there. Yay! Ugh. The end.